Hey, welcome guys. We're back and working in the textbook Adobe InDesign Revealed Creative Cloud by Chris Botello. We're going into Chapter 10, and in Chapter 10 we're making books tables of content and indexes. We're going to start right in on page 10-6, and we're going to create a book file. In order to do that, we need to open 10-1, and we're going to save as Toy Breeds. You want to note the number of pages in the book. It's 18. And save it as Toy Breeds. The document had 18 pages, or has 18 pages, numbered 1 through 18. Now we're going to open a file. Again, we're going to navigate out to where you have your data files stored. We're going to open 10-2. We're going to update the links, and you want to again note the number of pages here. The document has 18 pages numbered 1 through 18. We're going to save this as Herding Breeds. We're going to open 10-3. Note the number of pages on the Pages panel. 26. And then we're going to save this one as Terrier Breeds. Going to go to File and Open. We're looking for 10-4. Again, go to the Pages panel. See the number of pages that are in this particular document. We're going to do a File, Save As. And save that. We're going to open 10-5. Update the links. I always update the links. Again, note the number of pages, 24. And we're going to save this out as Sports Breeds. I don't know why I capitalized that. I would never do that, but anyway, I did. And then we're going to close all open documents, which would include Sports Breeds. I'm going to close that out. Hound Breeds. Terrier Breeds. Herding Breeds. And we're also going to close out Toy Breeds. Now we're going to go to File on the menu bar. We're going to point to New, and then we're going to point to Book this time. We're going to name this book Dog Breeds, and you're going to click Save, which pops up a little dialog box or a little file holder here. And as shown in Figure 4, mine on the screen, a book panel appears with a single tab named Dog Breeds. This panel is the book file. Now we're going to add documents to a book file. We're going to click the Book Panel Options button. We're going to click Add Document. We're going to navigate out to where we have our Files Saved. We're going to click on Toy Breeds and click Open. And as shown in Figure 5 or mine on the screen, the document is listed in the book panel along with the page range. Now we're going to click the Add Documents button on the book panel. We're going to look for herding breeds and open. The document, which was numbered 1 through 18 previously in the original file, is now numbered 19 through 36, as you'll see here. And using either of the two methods we just did, add the following documents in the following order. Next, we're going to add terrier breeds. We're going to add hound breeds. And we're going to add sport breeds. And as shown in Figure 6 and mine on the screen, the book panel contains 5 documents, and the pagination is continuous for a total of 106 pages. We're going to click the Save the Book button on the book panel. Now we're going to work at organizing this file. We're going to note the order of the documents on the book panel. And for this project, each document will be a chapter in a book. You want the chapters to flow in an alphabetical order, so we're going to drag Toy Breeds down to the bottom of the list. And when you move a document in the list, a thick horizontal line appears to denote its new location, which it did. And as shown in Figure 10 or mine on the screen, when Toy Breeds is moved to the bottom of the list, the page range is renumbered. Toy Breeds now appears as pages 89 through 106, which it does. Now we're going to rearrange the list so that it is in alphabetical order as shown in Figure 11, or you'll see it on my screen in just a moment. And I didn't mean to indicate the style source here for whatever reason. When I tried to move it with that, it did. I don't believe it's going to hurt it, but we'll see the next. It seems to me the most successful way to move it is to grab it over here between the name and the page number and then click and drag. And you see that thick line as it moves. And so it should be herding breeds, hound breeds, sports breeds, terrier breeds, and toy breeds. Now we want to double-click Toy Breeds on the panel. Since my double-click doesn't work, I have to do an open. You want to open the Pages panel, which my Pages panel is already open. And manipulating a document on the book panel affects the actual document itself. The Pages panel in Toy Breeds now lists the document page numbers as 89 through 106. Now we're going to close out this. And I'm going to close out this video right now, and I'll be back to add another video in just a few minutes.